I think there's going to be a quick video where I'm working on a 2010 Ford F150. I've done repair to this truck before. It was the AC. I will put a link right here to it. And today I'm working on a bad cluster. The needle for the speed was stuck on like 35, 40, and it only gets up after the 40 when it hits 40. Everything else was working. Basically inside here, I left it open. These gears, they plastic and they wear over time, and you see that how this one, it has a stop in it. That's what it is. You see it, it won't move freely. So I told the owner either to get me one so I take the gears from it, or get another cluster. So he did get another cluster. The problem is when you put the cluster, when you do this, you see the security light is blinking, so we have to program this cluster to the vehicle. Alright, I plugged in the old module. I'm in the old cluster. I want to show you guys that with the old cluster the truck is working fine. So we're doing key on. I'm using the IM608 Autel IM608P. We're going to programming. And programmable module installation. IC, which is instrument cluster right here. Instrument cluster, if you don't know what it is. It says set pushing to off. It's off. Click OK. Install a new module in the vehicle. I'm gonna pause to put the new module, bring you guys back. Alright, new module in. Only one harness. Install new module in the vehicle. Okay. Set ignition to on. Click OK. Configure and please wait. The light's still blinking. Module installation complete. Network DTC. Your codes may have been set during program operating action. Run the on-demand read code and clear all codes. Fix all relevant DTCs. Okay. Let's give it a key off. Take the key out and key on. That didn't work. We still have a blinking. I have the 8P. That's a good time actually to go and bring it here, see if it will do the job, because we blinking light. Let's go bring it. Alright, the Nano 8P is here, and we're going to try this same process that we did with it. The reason why I'm doing this, because when I bought the IM608, they said it include a JBox, but it's not programming JBox, but it says reprogrammer. So let's find out if that J2534 somebody can depend on or not. If this process succeed here, what I'm gonna use this with the IM608, because this one is up to date, this one is outdated. Now we're going back to the same thing. Programmable module installation. We have the original module installed. Instrument cluster. During module program, this module go to through-in verification. This process go verification. Patient screen. Okay. This module must have verification written to as a part of the configuration process. If the correct VIN has not entered the module, okay, the following screen may display VIN. Ask, okay, it didn't ask us that earlier. Okay, VIN blah 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 7016 is the correct one. Yes, 7016 is the correct one. Yes. Off. Okay. Install a new module in vehicle. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna pause and bring you guys along. Alright, new module installed. New module in vehicle, okay. Switch ignition to on. Still have blinking. Tell it okay. Configure and please wait. We still have blinking. Okay, network. DTCs may set, but we still have blinking here. Same thing happened with the IM608. Okay. Module listed may not be. Step before performing diagnosis. The following module have a incorrect VIN identification number. The PCM has a incorrect VIN. Please run programmable module installation to correct the VIN number. Turn ignition off. Okay. On. Truck is not gonna start. Now let me verify the VIN number with the truck. Now I'm gonna see if I can do that using a 4Scan. And I don't think I have the Pro version. I'm not sure. But what I did after connecting to the vehicle, I went to configuration and programming, and I went to instrument cluster module as built, and I clicked run, and it took me to this page. So I took a picture of these values, by the way, using the original cluster with the key on, and I save all, and I saved it to my computer. Now let me change the clusters and do load and see if that's gonna solve the problem. All right, so the new cluster is in, key on. I think we have to do DTC scan one more time. No. All right, let's go here as built. Okay. All right, let's. Which phone I use to? Hold on, let me switch phones. All right, so I relaunched the program. Let's see if values are different here. Picture 8B0C D701 22AB 000 and 002A. Yeah, it's the same. Okay, what's my next step? Just out of curiosity, let's do load all right here. Load it here. Operation successful. Oh, nothing changed because it's the same. I don't think that's gonna solve the problem. Nah. Key off, take it out, bring it in. Not good. Well, for now, since both scanners failed me, and I know Snap-on don't have this option, they're not gonna give it to you like that. I decided to change the gears, take 2 good gears from the old cluster and put it here, get the day going. But I guess that's the end of it. Thanks for watching.